Hey everyone, it's Carlin from Saskatoon Motor Products here. Today I'll be showing you how to install a Truxedo Pro X15 tonneau cover on a 2019 and up Silverado or Sierra. Let's get started. Alright, so I'll be showing you the tools required as well as the kit components here to get this cover installed. What we're looking at here is a ratchet with a 1/2 inch socket on it to tighten down the clamps, as well as a flat blade screwdriver to adjust the tension on the cover. From there comes the kit components. All we'll be needing here are the clamps to attach the rails to the bed, as well as a seal to prevent any water leaks. From there, we got our cover itself to go on, as well as each side rail for the bed. And from there, we'll have this cover installed. The rail design makes this cover installation very easy. You have a lip on here for exact leveling of your cover. So all you're gonna do is put your rail up to the box and then slide it all the way forward to get a tight seal up front. Now that we got the rail leveled, we're gonna install the clamps. So during the installation of your side rail, if it's not perfectly level, you'll be using these shims in behind the rail just to level it off, because I'll be pulling this cover off once we're done the installation. I didn't install these, but keep that in mind for your installation. As well as because I'm pulling this cover off, I didn't install your front seal, but this seal will go right along the front of your bulkhead here, just to prevent any water from leaking in on you. So you're gonna open up the clamp all the way, slide it up, squishing the rail of the cover to your bed rail. Okay, twist the bolt to tighten it down and tightening it with your ratchet. All right, so the next clamp we're gonna install is actually our pocket clamp. They'll go in your rear stake pocket here to give you strength on the back of your tonneau cover. So first you're gonna wanna take that apart, and then let's get this installed here. Now that we got this rail secured, we're gonna jump over to the other side, get that one installed, that way we can get our top cover on. Now that we got both side rails installed, we're gonna bring our cover up to the front of the truck and get that put on. We're gonna put the front of the bulkhead down into the truck and then latch our clamps underneath. So we're gonna have to pull the straps off the clamp here. You just simply bring that off and around. The strap will later be used to hold your cover up to the front of your truck, and these are your side clamps to lock you into your rails. You'll hear a firm click when your clips are fully engaged and your cover's tight. Now that we have our cover up front and locked into place, we're gonna adjust our tensioners so that we can put some tension on the cover. This will be later once again adjusted once we know how our cover unrolls and fits on the truck. Now that we have tension set, we're gonna unroll the cover and see how it fits. And that's how you install a Truxedo Pro X15 tonneau cover on a 2019 and up Silverado or Sierra. If you have any questions, come see me or one of our experts at your parts department, or come see us at SMP, the better way to drive.